guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to give yourself these affordable DIY lash extensions. The first thing you're going to need is a pack of individual lashes, and this particular pack is by Salon Perfect. You can get it at your local drugstore for just a couple dollars. It comes with a little pair of tweezers to pick up the lashes. It also comes with a small container of glue, a small container of remover, and obviously the individual lashes. I'm just pouring out a little bit of glue onto this card and closing the cap so the rest of my glue doesn't dry up. Now in the pack there's little grooves that you can stick the tweezers in so you can pinch and pick up the lash. And obviously here I am placing it on my eyelashes. One thing that you want to keep in mind when doing this is you are not supposed to put it on your skin. You are supposed to set it on your eyelash, but as close to your eyelid as possible without actually touching your eyelid. In the corner of the screen, I have a second clip going that's more of a close-up so you guys can see a little bit better how exactly I'm placing it on my lash. And obviously, like right here, you're going to have a couple mishaps where the glue kind of sticks to the tweezers and then it doesn't want to come off. This takes a lot of practice, time, and definitely patience while you're doing it, so don't feel rushed to get it done very quickly, otherwise it's really easy to mess up, and obviously you want this to look as perfect as possible. One thing I did not say in the beginning is before you even start putting these lashes on, it is very important to make sure that your eyelashes are completely free of any makeup or eyeshadow or anything. You want them to be completely clean and oil free as well. And from my personal experience, I would suggest brushing out your eyelashes with a spoolie to get them as spread out as possible, because since you have to glue them to your lash, if your lashes are very sparse, it'll be really hard for the glue to stick. So here you can see that I have some gaps that need filled in. What I like to do is just do a sort of like a base layer of lashes, if you will, just to get them down. And now I am going to start filling in the gaps and making them look a little bit more fuller to the way that I want them to look. I recommend working from the inside to the outside of your eye just because it makes it a little bit easier. But I am right-handed, so if you're left-handed, then maybe it's easier for you to work from the outside to the inside. It's just all about your personal preference. So now that I'm all finished and I am satisfied with how my lashes look, I hope this video was short, direct, and to the point, and I hope that it really helped you guys out. And just remember, practice makes perfect. Hey guys, so I hope that this tutorial on how to apply these individual lashes has helped you guys. Just keep in mind and remember that it does take time and patience, and it does take a little bit of experience too. The first time I ever put these on, it took me over an hour to do it, and I pretty much used every single one of the lashes, but now that's how many I have, and I think my lashes look pretty good right now. So just know, if you don't get it right the first time, it's okay. Sometimes you just have to practice. And along with my tutorial, there are tons more on YouTube that you can search and watch and get some tips from. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed and you found it helpful. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Become a part of my small little family and make sure you never miss a video with me. And lastly, feel free to comment anything your little heart desires. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time.